Hello guys and welcome back again to my channel Juana Bulakenya. In this video I am going to show you how to put tempered glass on your mobile phones. So I will show you 3 types of tempered glass in this video. For our first tempered glass, we are going to use the matte type for the model of mobile phone, which is Redmi S2. Okay, that's the one. Matte tempered glass. Okay. First you have to do is to clean your mobile phone, the LCD screen, with the wet wipes. Like that. And then the dry wipes, make sure that it was dried thoroughly. It is important. And we have to make sure also that it don't have any dust. Right, align and measure. You have to check both the sides, the top and the bottom. Okay, and that's it. Once you check or confirm that it was aligned properly, then press it gently and firmly. Don't give any hard pressure because it might break the glass. Okay, so if like that we see the bubble on the sides, maybe it has dust on it, so you have to pull it up a little bit and remove the dust. Alright, press it. Alright, and this is the sticker, by the way. Alright, just press it down again firmly. Alright, you will use it on the other side as well. Just press it until the dust stick on the sticker, and that's it. Okay. Alright, and it's done. See, that's the matte tempered glass on a Redmi S2 phone. For this second tempered glass, this is the full with black border. So I like this one. I prefer this one because it covers your mobile until the edges. Alright. Once it is already clean, dry and no dust, just align your tempered glass. Make sure no dust. Wipe it again for the last time. And then align it and measure it. And it's all right. That's it. Lay it down. Lay it flat. And then press it gently. Okay, that's it. As you can see, this glass is more clearer and more glossy because it is 20D. See, it is very clear. It's like you didn't put anything on your screen. Right, and it fully covers your mobile. Fully covered your mobile. There's a little dot in there. Just wipe it again until it's gone. Press it gently. Okay. And that's it. In this third sample of tempered glass, we're going to use the anti-blue light tempered glass. Okay, make sure it is cleaned already. Then align, check the top, the bottom, and both sides. Once it is aligned properly, just lay flat your glass. Yeah, like that. So press it gently. Just press it gently until all the bubbles or the air bubbles is gone. So what is we need to remember in putting tempered glass on our mobile phones is to make sure that it is well cleaned, it was dried, and it doesn't have any particles or dry or something in there. So we have to clean it properly, clean it well. As you can see, this anti-blue light type of tempered glass is a little bit hard to do among the three of them because because of the reflection, any imperfection is very visible. Anyway guys, I'm sorry if I'm speaking English badly or I have so many mistakes in my grammar. I just want to try to speak in English because I am thinking that maybe some of people from other country may watch this video, not only Filipinos. So I just try my best to explain or speak in English in this video. I know I'm not good in it, but I'm just trying. Alright. So I think it has dust on it, so you have to pull it back again. So that's why I reminding you that you have to clean it properly, because sometimes there's a type of mobile phone that once you stick the tempered glass, it is hard to pull it up again, and because of pulling it up again, it might be broken and you have to replace new one again. So we have to be careful in cleaning and wiping before we lay flat your tempered glass. So this anti-blue light protects our eyes from the blue ray that comes or that emits by our mobile phone. So they say that it is an eye protection tempered glass, but for me, I prefer to use the full one, the one with the black border, because it fully covered your mobile phone. See, it's giving her a hard time to give it a perfection. Perfect finish, because it's really a very visible little imperfection is very visible in this type of tempered glass. There are also some types of mobile phones that all the sides have air or bubbles. That's because of their shape, those that have the curve on the sides and corners, mostly on Meizu and some of Redmi phones and Oppo phones. If their sides are not flat, so it's hard, they have the bubbles. So I think that's it, and that's the blue light. That is what we call the blue light. So I think our video is finished. Thank you for watching guys, and until our next video, thank you and goodbye.